after the confirmation as the crowd at the Mahakumbh Mela thins following the stampede. The akhadas will now proceed with the ritual. The akhadas are now heading towards the Sangam for the Amrit Snan on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya. The president of the Akhil Bharatiya Akhada Parishad, Mahant Ravindra Puri, has stated that they are preparing for the Amrit Snan. He mentioned that thousands of saints and Nagas are now accompanying him. He assured that the ghats will be vacated swiftly to allow all devotees to take their holy dip. Listen in to what he said. Before we go to the Akhada chief, Arzu, on the telecast with me. Arzu, we're getting to know now that the Akhadas are now heading towards the Ganga for the Amrit Snan. He's also mentioned that the ghats will be vacated at the soonest possible for the other people, the devotees who have thronged the Mahakumbh venue in large numbers to also participate in the ritual.
Well, yes, in fact, the akhadas have started reaching at the Sangam nose where they will be taking a holy dip on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya. Right now, I am at the Sangam Ghat, and from here, I would like to show the visuals also of the Sangam nose, and there the akhadas will be reaching through their procession when, where the thousands of sons, Naga sadhus, all will be joining a particular akhada, and from in that procession, the celebration will be seen, and as always, the visuals will be coming very attractive to see those rituals that they will perform while coming to the Sangam nose. And these are the visuals we are showing you. In fact, the Sangam nose area has been vacated, the public has been removed from there, and now akhadas are visiting there. In fact, in the morning that was postponed by the akhadas, that after the situation will get normal, the devotees will they will be taken a holy bath in the Triveni Sangam, then only the akhadas will be reaching. And that's why now after 11 they said that now we will be going to the Ghat Sangam nose to take a holy dip on this auspicious moment. In fact, the akhadas has also appealed to the devotees that they should not pay attention to the rumors, and also to take a holy bath to their nearest ghat, because all devotees in the evening also they were staying near the Sangam Ghat, so that in the morning they can all together come at the Sangam nose or the Triveni Sangam to take a holy bath. That's why continuously in fact the administration, the officials were also making announcement to make them understand that they can take a holy bath now only, they should not wait for the morning. But yes, just after 12 a.m. all the people together approached the Triveni Sangam, and such incident, the chaos happened, and a stampede like situation occurred. But yes, now everything is normal. Now the akhadas have started reaching to the Sangam nose, following all those rituals, the Naga sadhus dancing and performing all those rituals, and reaching to the Sangam nose to take a holy dip on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya today itself. Yes, Megha.
Okay, thanks Arzu for giving us those details. Stay on with me. There's more information pouring in that the Chhattisgarh Deputy Chief Minister Arun Sao has praised